Most people still believe they need 10,000 steps a day to stay healthy, but that idea is outdated. In reality, most of us are too busy, too tired, or too overwhelmed to hit that number, and when we fall short, we feel like we've failed. In 2007, Japanese researchers introduced something far more achievable and time-efficient: interval walking training, or IWT, also known as Japanese walking, Asian walking, or the 3x3 walking method. It's unbelievably simple. Walk gently for 3 minutes, then walk briskly for 3 minutes, and repeat this 5 times for a total of 30 minutes. That's it. No treadmill, no gym, no equipment, just you and your steps. This small change delivers impressive results: stronger legs, improved endurance, better sleep, and more stable blood pressure. It's gentle on the joints, ideal for older adults, and perfect for anyone who struggles to find time for traditional workouts. In the rest of this video, you'll discover how it works, the science behind it, and the practical ways you can do it anywhere. Once you understand the research behind it, you'll see why so many people have switched, and why this might become your favorite form of exercise too. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, and not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before starting any new exercise, especially if you have heart conditions, joint issues, or other health concerns. Japanese or Asian walking, also known as interval walking training or the 3x3 walking method, is a simple way to turn ordinary walking into a powerful workout. It was developed by Japanese researchers who wanted to help people stay fit without needing long workouts or special equipment. The concept is easy: walk slowly for 3 minutes, then briskly for 3 minutes, and repeat this cycle 5 times for about 30 minutes total. What makes it different is the rhythm. The slow intervals let your body recover, while the fast intervals challenge your heart, lungs, and muscles. This push and recover pattern keeps your metabolism active long after you stop walking. Unlike the traditional 10,000 step goal, which focuses on quantity, Japanese walking focuses on quality. Just 30 minutes of alternating pace can bring measurable benefits for your cardiovascular health, mood, and stamina. Because it's low impact and joint-friendly, it's suitable for older adults, beginners, and anyone easing back into fitness. It's efficient, refreshing, and even fun. People often say they feel lighter, calmer, and more focused after every session. Japanese researchers discovered that alternating between fast and slow walking changes how the body uses energy. During brisk intervals, your heart rate increases, your muscles demand more oxygen, and your body starts burning stored fat for fuel. The slower intervals allow your body to recover while keeping your metabolism elevated. This stress and release rhythm strengthens your heart and lungs and builds endurance, without the strain of high-impact exercise. These results come from years of clinical research conducted in Japan on hundreds of adults. The findings show consistent improvements in aerobic capacity, muscle strength, and blood pressure regulation. You can find all the research sources and clinical studies in the video description below, including data showing improved endurance, metabolism, and fat-burning efficiency. Here's how to do Japanese walking the right way. Step 1. Warm up 3 to 5 minutes. Start with an easy stroll. Relax your arms and shoulders. Breathe naturally and let your body wake up. Step 2. Slow walk for 3 minutes. Walk at a natural, conversational pace. Keep your posture tall and relaxed. Step 3. Fast walk for 3 minutes. Pick up the pace. Walk briskly, like you're hurrying to catch a flight. Swing your arms, lengthen your stride, and feel your heart rate rise, but keep your breathing steady. Step 4. Repeat 5 times, about 30 minutes total. Alternate between 3 minutes slow and 3 minutes fast. This push and recover rhythm builds endurance and strengthens your heart. Step 5. Cool down for 3 to 5 minutes. Ease back to a gentle walk. Slow your breathing and let your body relax. Optional variation. Once consistent, add variety. Walk uphill, wear a light backpack, or extend to 40 minutes. Remember, The best workout is the one you enjoy and can sustain. If this feels doable, tap like and subscribe for more simple, science-backed ways to stay healthy and energized. The best thing about Japanese or Asian walking is that anyone can do it anywhere, anytime. Outdoors. Walk in your neighborhood or park. Use trees or lampposts as markers. Indoors. Walk in your living room, hallway, or on a walking pad. At work. March in place or walk during breaks. Seated version. If mobility is limited, sit tall and march your legs for 3 minutes fast, 3 minutes slow. It still helps circulation and endurance. No gym, no excuses. Just movement that fits your lifestyle. The benefits of Japanese or Asian walking are remarkable and all science-backed. In one long-term study, adults who practice this method improved aerobic fitness up to 29 times, gained stronger leg muscles, and lowered blood pressure significantly compared to regular walking. Participants also experienced better sleep quality, improved mood, and reduced stress levels. It trains your heart to work efficiently and your body to keep burning energy long after the walk ends. Best of all, it makes exercise feel rewarding. Again, no pain, no guilt, just progress. The beauty of this method is its flexibility. You can fit it into any schedule. 30-minute version. The full plan used in studies 30 minutes a day, 4 to 5 times weekly, about 120 to 150 minutes per week. That's all it takes for real benefits. 15-minute version. Split it in 2 sessions, one in the morning to boost energy and one in the evening to unwind. 10-minute version. 3 short sessions, morning, midday, and evening. Each includes 1 or 2 fast, slow intervals that keep your metabolism active. However you divide it, what matters most is doing it regularly. Even short walks done consistently lead to lasting results. Japanese or Asian walking isn't about chasing numbers, it's about walking with purpose. This isn't the 10,000-step challenge that leaves you tired or discouraged. This is a smarter, more achievable approach, whether you're young or old, indoors or outdoors, starting your fitness journey or getting back into shape. It's science-backed, joint-friendly, and time-efficient. You don't need hours or equipment, just short bursts of focused walking that reawaken your energy, strengthen your heart, and lift your mood. And here's something remarkable. Studies show that after an interval walk, your metabolism stays elevated for hours. Your body keeps burning energy more efficiently even as you rest or sleep, so every walk continues working for you long after you've finished. If you're ready to begin, type "walking" in the comments to show you're joining in. Then, after your first session, come back and type "tried it" and share how you felt. Your story might inspire someone else to start too. If this video encouraged you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a simple, science-based way to feel stronger and more energized. Let's walk this journey together, one step, one rhythm, one healthier day at a time. And remember, stay curious, stay smart, and most of all, stay healthy.